Hello everyone, welcome to Real Genesis. In this video, we will look at the top 5 cryptocurrencies in 2022 by market capitalization. Before we get into the video, this is the second part of the top 5 crypto series. We have already uploaded the first part on this channel, so please click on the I button on your screen to watch that video. You can also see on your screen the topics already covered in part 1, so be sure to check that out as well. Now on to our today's video. First up is Ripple. Its market code is XRP. Originally named OpenCoin, this cryptocurrency has a market cap of over 22.7 billion US dollars. Next up, we have Binance USD with the code BUSD. It is important to note that BUSD and BNB are two different crypto coins, both associated with Binance. We have already covered BNB in part 1 of our series. BUSD has a market cap of over 21 billion US dollars. Next, we have Cardano with the code ADA. Cardano was founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson in 2015. It has a market cap of around 15 billion US dollars. On number 4, we have Solana with the market code of SOL. Solana is one of the pioneers of the proof of stake mechanism in blockchain technology. Solana has a market cap of over 12 billion US dollars. Comment down below if you want videos explaining terms such as proof of stake, proof of history, blockchain, etc. frequently used in the crypto space. Last but definitely not the least, we have the very interesting DOGE coin. It is the most popular meme coin that was founded solely for the purpose of mocking the hype around cryptocurrencies. It has a market cap of over 8.5 billion US dollars. That's it from this video guys. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.